Welcome to our channel. Watching sports replays legally on Fire Stick requires using official apps and services. Follow these step-by-step instructions for reliable sports content. Step 1. Download the ESPN app for extensive sports replay coverage. ESPN Plus subscribers get access to thousands of replays and exclusive content. Step 2. Install league-specific apps like NBA, NFL, MLB, or NHL apps. These offer official replays, highlights, and archived games for fans. Step 3. Try YouTube TV or Hulu Plus Live TV, which include unlimited DVR storage for recording live sports and watching replays later. Step 4. Use DAZN for on-demand replays of boxing, MMA, and international soccer matches. Replays are available shortly after events end. Step 5. Check if your cable or satellite provider has an app with replay features. Many providers offer comprehensive replay libraries for subscribers. Step 6. Explore Peacock Premium for replays of Premier League soccer, WWE events, and Olympic sports. Step 7. For classic and archived sports content, try services like NFL Game Pass, which offers access to previous season's games. Step 8. Avoid illegal streaming apps promising free access to live or replay sports. These violate copyright laws and often provide poor quality, unreliable streams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.